welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna do a eyeshadow review on the Lunar Beauty Moonspell palette. Oh my god, like bitch, I'm so excited for this one. This is my favorite Lunar Beauty packaging wise. I don't know about the eyeshadows yet, but oh my god, this is so fucking amazing. This is me in a palette. Me during Halloween season is this palette. Period. I fucking love witches. I love pop culture witches at that. So like Charmed, I fucking love Charmed so much. I love Charmed.
We are the Charmed ones! Who the hell are you? We are the Charmed ones! Who the hell are you?
This is the box, bitch. I'm keeping this box. Normally I don't keep the box, but this is the box. And it's slide open. And it's supposed to be a spell book. Like, it looks, this packaging is fire. Like, and first of all, I'm sorry about the background. This is an emergency video, so there's not gonna be no backdrop. We're filming in my room. I'm sorry if it looks crazy. I just want to review this so fucking bad. So here it is. This is the Moonspell palette from Lunar Beauty. And I have his other two palettes that I have. I have the Strawberry Dream, which I did a recording of, a review. And I have the Life's a Drag palette. But so far, this one is my fucking favorite. So if you guys want to see me do a look on it, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the inside of the palette. I'm sorry if I'm gonna blind you guys, but this is what it looks like. This packaging is everything. And the colors are nice. You know, like, to be honest, when I think of Halloween, I think of like a black shadow, a deep, deep, deep brown, a bloody red, an orange. But it's Manny's palette. He could do whatever he wants. And plus, purples and greens are Halloween colors as well, so this is good. And I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. My cat is playing with a little toy or whatever. So I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry if you hear the fan. I'm gonna turn it off soon. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. But you know, if you're new to my channel and I like to swatch like a couple shades that I like, so I'm gonna swatch a couple. I don't like to swatch it all because this video will be forever long. So, and I like to do live swatches too. Like, I don't like to play it up for the cameras. So let's take the shade Prue. And Miss Prue over here has been causing trouble. Like when I was watching other people's videos, like the shade was like damaged or was cracked. Thank God mine isn't cracked, but my sister's is. It was cracked. So I was like, oh shit, thank God mine is not. Anyway, let's get it cracking. Well, let's get it swatching. That's not. This is what it looks like, and let's put it on my wrist. Wow, it's like a glittery, like a shimmer top coat, and it felt so creamy going on. It felt like wet. So it reminds me of like a Super Shock shadow from ColourPop, but like without the puttiness. It just feels so creamy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's like a purple reflective type of color. Let's watch the shade Phoebe right here, the Charmed one, her sister, Prue's sister. The same texture. It's like a creamy little moment, and this is what it looks like. So let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. That's honestly so pretty. It's like a deep purple base with blue reflex. It is so stunning. I love it. Period. And let's watch a matte for you guys. Okay, let's do Sabrina right here. Ooh, wow. So this is what it looks like. I'm sorry if I'm like shaking, but it's nice. It looks pigmented for a purple. Let's see. Let's swatch it over here. Wow, it is pigmented. It's not even patchy. Yeah, wow. For a purple, Manny's formula is coming for the girls. That's all I gotta say. I'm not even trying to kiss ass. Bitch, it's hard to make a purple. Look how this fucking purple is. Like, damn, Manny, you coming for the girls, bitch. Let's try one more shade. Let's try one like over here, because I did like almost all the first row. Let's do Marnie from Halloween Town, girl. Yes. It's like an olive green. So this is what Miss Marnie looks like. Let's see. Pigment, bitch. This is what pigment looks like, bitch. Yes, I love it, bitch. Yeah, I'm so excited to dig into this palette. Let me stop talking shit and get into it, bitch. Period. Oh, so yeah, guys. So to start it all out, I am going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Eden. Y'all know the drill up to this point, so let's get it cracking. So now you probably like, bitch, why the fuck you got tape on your eye? I'm like, first of all, I got tape on my eye because I want to do a sharp look today. You know, I don't want to do like this little soft cut crease moment. No, bitch, I'm going in, the fuck. So, with that being said, I'm going to take the shade Sabrina right here and run that on my outer V and try to blend it in a little bit. And this is on a Morphe M433. The shade. Now I'm gonna take the shade Marnie right here, the green color. Pop, 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 pop. And I'm gonna put it on the inner socket. So like right next to the purple. Alright, so now I'm going to take the shade Page and mix it with the shade Sarah, so these two. And I'm going to just blend everything out up on the top so it won't be no harsh lines and just everything a blended look. So on the green top, on the green side, I'm going to take the shade Bonnie right here, this little light green moment. And just put it on top where I put Marnie on. Just so it won't be no harsh lines, you know, the drill. So now I'm going to take the Urban Decay Primer Potion again. And this is like my secret trick. I like to use the wand and just cut the crease. And give it a full-blown cut crease moment. Take the shade Phoebe, this sexy glitter moment, and I'm gonna put that on my lid, the majority of my lid, using my finger. Now I'm going to take the shade Hermione right here and put that next to Phoebe. So like right here where the white is still at. So now to act like a topper, I'm going to take the shade Prue right here and put it on top of Phoebe. So guys, now I'm gonna add some liner and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. And I don't have the black liquid lipstick from the collection, so I just used the NYX liquid suede liquid lipstick in the shade Alien. So I used that today, and I lined my lipstick. I lined my lips with eyeliner. So all in all, let's give a final review of Miss Moonspell. This palette is passable as fuck. Like, I did not have no problems blending out the purple. The purples wasn't even patchy at all. Everything blended so good. I loved it. Period. The only thing, low-key, if I could pick at anything, would be that Prue wasn't that pigmented enough to go on the inner corner, because I had to still layer it up with like a white highlighter, so I just layered that up. But other than that, this may be personal preference. I love a blinding inner corner, so maybe that was the gig. But other than that, I fucking love this palette. This palette is 10s, 10s, 10s across the board. The fucking packaging is everything. The colors are everything. If you love pinks and purples, this is your judge. Like, I love this. The only thing, and another thing that, you know, I wanted out of the palette was more like a black shade, a red shade, or an orange shade. But I understand, you know, he thinks that blacks are like, girl, everybody has a black, which is true. I was gonna add a black to deepen it up, but I really wanted to use this palette only. So yeah, guys, this is my final review of the Moonspell palette. And if you guys like this video, you already know what to do, honey. Give me a big old that. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much, and yeah, I love you, my moon babies.